Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up with smile. Thumbs up with badi wali smile. Hai na? We always start our class with a great smile, and that's why our artworks are always outstanding, isn't it? So, yes, as I can see, there is one more minute. So we will wait for one more minute, and sharp 5 we will start our work. Okay, and students are still joining. So I will wait for one more minute. And yes, many students are showing they have completed outlines, and it's really looking so wonderful. You all must have given outlines, right? Because I gave this in homework last class that you will be giving outlines. Okay, finish outlines. And today we are going to do beautiful coloring. And today is one more session. Today is one more session, one more thing. What's that? Yes, today's story session. And today's story is partially a real story, actually, partially, not completely. A real story. In this story, what the students did, these children did, it happened actually in one apartment, and children have made this thing happen there in real. And they got reward also afterwards. So this story is partially true. Okay. So yes, I think this is 5 now. Yes, it's 5-1. So we will start with our work. So before starting, I just want to see, because after outline, I will be able to see that how the work is looking. So please lift up your work. Wow, great, outstanding, amazing, wonderful. Shabash, amazing. Okay. See, watercolors not very much required. If you want to add some patterns, you can use. If you want to add some patterns in there, you can use, but not very much required. If you want to add on using that, you can, but not very compulsory. So see, students, last class we learned using letters and numbers how to draw. Then second step, we outline, and third step, we will erase extra lines. So we'll take eraser and very carefully, very gently, we will erase extra lines, and we will make this complete artwork absolutely neat and clean. Okay, this is our third step, and this is very important step. And while erasing, you're supposed to be very, very careful. If you will do it carelessly, your paper can be crushed or it can be teared, and it will spoil your whole work, isn't it? So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to erase very carefully, slowly and gently. Okay, so erase all extra lines and remove dust. I will remove its dust. Yes. See, I remove it. Okay. And after removing, okay, yes, it's done nicely. And now is the time to color. Erasing is very important part. If you will not erase, so what will happen? Those lines will keep peeping out and it will spoil your work. Underwater Rangoli, that beta, its video is available on my YouTube channel. Okay, Divyansh Prajapati. The Rangoli of underwater Rangoli is available on my YouTube channel. When you will search, so you will find tips for Rangoli, and with that underwater Rangoli also. Okay, I upload it on YouTube channel so that you can see and make it. You can make it as big and as small you want. Okay, so see, I will erase. And now we will start with coloring. So first of all, I will pick up skin and pink color from my color palette. Skin and pink. See, if you can't see, I will see the name. Vashni, if you can't see, beta, please click on active speaker view. Click on that and you will be able to see. Divyansh, recording of previous class is available on YouTube. In chat box, you please check. It is available there. Okay, check it once again. Okay. And students, I'm very happy to share that Shritama of our class, she qualified state level competition, Atmanirbhar Bharat. This was topic. She won gold medal and certificate. Shritama, we are very happy. Lots of blessings. And see, the list don't finish here. One more student, I feel very proud to announce, Shreyan. Shreyan is the winner of Indian Art Contest preschool category. And he was admired for his lovely artwork. So Shreyan, Shritama, we are really proud of you. Very well done. Lots of blessings are always with you. Congratulations. May God bless you. Vashni, are you able to see me now? See, if you're looking for a screen where I will be visible, no, you won't be able to see me. You will be able to see only the screen where this drawing and my hands are visible only. You'll be able to listen me only. You won't be able to see me. Okay, chalo, let's get started. So pink. Now take pink. I'm going to put small pink here for Deepak and a big pink circle for Deepali. Okay. Beta, please check once again. Recording is available there. Recording, rest all you find recording in chat box of previous class. Show thumbs up. Yes, I can see thumbs up. It means it's available. In chat box, you will find it. Okay. So I will put little pink here, then I will take skin color. Now see the great mistake, the big mistake students do, that is, they always start their coloring from center. We will not do this. We will start our coloring from corner. Always start your coloring from a corner. Come on, start with standing line. Go for small strokes, one direction. Varshni, you please click on active speaker view. You can do one thing, you leave class and rejoin. Rejoin. Okay. And turn camera. No, back camera. Try this. I will go for standing lines, small strokes, one direction, everywhere standing lines. I will not change direction and I will complete face. And then I'm going to complete my neck, the snake part, and then hands, ears. Okay. We will complete and go for small strokes, one direction, and don't forget, you will repeat every stroke 4 times. Every stroke 4 times. Okay. Yes. So first, let's complete skin color part in our work. We will complete Deepak and Deepali both. Okay. So see, I completed hands. I will complete ear. I completed face. I will complete this tummy part. This is also skin color. Okay. Fill here too. Skin color. It is lehenga, no? So I will be showing little small skin color part here too. And legs, feet also. Okay, let's complete feet. And this hand below bowl and feet also. Okay, yes. So see when you will finish this phase. So see this phase I completed skin color part in Deepali. Okay, I completed. And now is the time to complete it for Deepak also. I will be starting my story also, Tanish, very soon. Let me give basic instructions and then I will start. Say if you feel that you want to show traditional outfit, you know, traditional, so you can show it as a kurta or sherwani also, okay? So I showed it like a kurta and I'm going to use, first I will do skin color. Yes. I will do skin color in face. And I will start with the story. So this is the story of children. Yes, as you can see in our drawing. And Deepak and Deepali, these are 2 children, brother and sister. And they were living in a colony, in a very big colony, which was having more than 60 houses. And it was a big colony, so a big team of children. And every year their Diwali was super dhamal, full of dhamal and joy. They were purchasing lots of crackers, all latest crackers which got introduced in market. They were purchasing, they were burning, and this way Diwali was full of dhamal and masti. And this year also they were planning. They started searching what new crackers have come to reach to market. It is Pralay, it is Dipali, not Thipali. Okay. Dipali. Dipali is a name. Okay. I will finish it here. Anvita, you can type your message and send beta. We can't unmute you. Okay. Prahalya. Okay. Okay. So I will be doing this face, and then I will take skin color, this blue color, and we will be doing this face. Okay, this is very light blue color. So this year also they were planning to purchase lots and lots of toys, different kind of and very new toys. And the favorite were Aloo Bum, China Bum, Sutli Bum, Chakri, Anar, colorful Fuljharis and all. So they were busy preparing list, both of them. Okay, what kind of toys we are going to purchase? Let's complete eyes. Eye is the most important part of face. Okay. So, Avyukt, can others see my screen properly? Can you see my screen properly? Show your thumbs up. Avyukt, if you're not able to see my screen properly, you are finding it black, you please check your internet, because rest all can see my screen properly. Okay? Acha, now I will take black color and I will fill this inner eyeball. I'm using sketch pen for this. And I will be taking two more colors, yellow ochre and brown. And I will be completing eye. Okay? And how I'm going to do? This ways. I will be doing this ways. Okay, I will put little yellow ochre this side. Even in Deepak's eyes, I will put little yellow ochre this side, and then I will cover it up with brown. Okay, this ways. I will cover it up with brown. Okay, and this brown, dark brown, I'm going to do in hair of Deepak. Let's complete and start with standing lines from here. This ways. Okay. And Deepali's hair, I'm going to show with black. I will be showing them with black. Okay. So I will continue my story. So this year, Papa and Mama asked Deepali and Deepak that what you want, do you want us to purchase crackers for you? Or we will give you money and you make a list and purchase yourself. I will take you to shop. So they decided, yes, we are going to make our own list and we will write some very latest crackers and we will purchase ourselves. So Papa and Mama said, okay, we will give you 2,000 rupees each and you purchase your toy crackers yourself. Okay, they were very happy. Yes, this is the best option. We will purchase it ourselves. Take black. Can I check this? Yes, you can add pattern if you want. And Vivan, it is available in on my YouTube in chat box, as we provide recording on YouTube channel, it is available in chat box. Okay. Okay, fine. Then I will get it confirmed from my technical team. As far as I know, see, I got the message also, and uploaded the same day and shared twice also. I sent the message to my technical team and I got reply same day it is uploaded and shared twice. Okay, so please check it once again in chat box of our application. Okay. Okay, now I will take this black color and I will give outlines here. First, you give outlines here. Okay, give outlines everywhere and around flowers. Dipali put in here, around flowers also. Give neat outlines, go for small strokes very nicely around flowers also, very carefully. And so that when you will be doing colors in here, your flowers will not get disturbed. The better you give proper outlines around, and this small flick also will go black. Give outlines here in this big plates. Big plate also. Yes, okay. And now we will fill colors. Acha, today Taisha's birthday. Okay, hello my dear Taisha. Lots of blessings and happy birthday. I will pray to God to share blessings, joy, happiness, success in your life. So once again, my dear Taisha, lots of blessings and happy birthday. And one thing, you know now what is trend of our class? Grow a plant. Okay, so don't forget to grow a plant on the very special occasion of your birthday. See, I'm going to give a bold outlines and I will start coloring it from here. From here, you start coloring. Okay? Yes. So slowly and slowly you will be doing, and your color should reach to corners. And you will not do this way that the corners will be left white. Your color should reach to corners and finish it. Okay, this ways. And here too. Hi, I will continue my story also. So this way is when they got permission from Papa and Mama. And Papa and Mama told that if you need more money, we will give you. You can purchase as many as you want, crackers, as many as you want. And they were very happy and they made a big list with lots of chakris and anars and fuljaris and different kind of crackers. And they were very happy. But suddenly, and a few days before, and they made list, not yet purchased, but they made list and they were very much excited for this time Diwali. As this time, a big Papa and Mama gave them a very great pocket money and they were able to, they decided to purchase lots of crackers. Okay. So see, I completed this complete plates and this choti with black, and for Deepak's hair, I used brown color. Okay. And now is the time to make dress. So all of you, close your eyes and try to see, try to visualize your favorite lehenga or dress and try to do the same color. See, I also have lehenga and many, but my favorite one is yellow and red. Okay. I'm going to make lehenga with yellow and dark pink upper Chalo, see now from where you will start. You will not do this way, sleeping, standing, slanting. No, you will start it from here. Come on, standing lines. Okay. So few days before, almost 1 week before, suddenly they observed that their grandparents, they were living with their grandparents, and they observed their grandparents' health is deteriorating. He's not able to breathe properly. And slowly, grandpapa of Dipali and Deepa, this problem of breathlessness, it started increasing. And then it increased to the level that they took grandpapa to doctor. And doctor tell that the condition is very critical. We will have to admit him for treatment. And they were not knowing that suddenly what happened. Grandpapa was very healthy, and suddenly why he is facing this problem of breathlessness. You know? So they asked, when parents of Deepali and Deepak asked that what happened suddenly, he was all right. So doctor said कि because of pollution of Diwali all around, है ना? For we are burning crackers. You can see burning crackers all around before Diwali, and the smoke which these crackers releasing. See, I'm going to make this upper portion with pink, dark pink. I will start with standing lines. I will not change direction and finish this portion dark pink. Okay. And I will be making green, light green border with red. I'm going to do red. See, now here pattern is yours. You can try any pattern. You can try any color of your choice, and you can do. Okay. So see, I used red, green. I just want to make it colorful. And you know what? This colorful, and a rangoli colorful, dresses brightly colored. This is actually the beauty of Indian culture. We are really very, very lucky that we belong to India, and we are Indians, and we belong to such colorful and great culture. You know? Lots of colors you will find in each festival, and different cultures, different rituals, different outfits, different dishes. This is what actually which is making our India incredible. Although we are different in so many ways, but still we are united as Indian. That's why our India is always called Incredible India, isn't it? I will be doing green here too. Green and yellow occur combination I'm going to, So when doctor said कि as people, they started burning crackers, because of that poisonous smoke which is in air. Air index is already so polluted. Air is already so polluted, and now as poisonous smoke of crackers, it also getting mixed. So it is very, very harmful and dangerous for old age people, especially, and newly born babies. And doctor said, you know what, during Diwali, our wards, our emergency wards are full with patients, especially old age, because they suddenly their problem, heart problem, breathing problem, asthma problem, they rise during this Diwali time. And we don't think about, while burning crackers, we don't think even that many are facing such difficult problems, such difficult um, health issues due to crackers which are burning all around. When Dipali and Deepak, they listened to this, so they were very much surprised that Diwali has not reached yet. It's still far. 1 week is there. And we are burning crackers. And these crackers are harming, like my grandpapa. They return home and they prayed to God. They, oh God, please make our grandpapa take care of health of my grandpapa and help him getting well soon, because we love him a lot. And God, today we realize that we just burn crackers without thinking that how much harm they are causing to others. We are promising, this thought and of doctor, that every year the wards, emergency wards, are full with patients because of Diwali. pollution, that poisonous smoke which is getting released when we burn crackers. See, I completed pink, very light pink. Earring, I want to show golden, so I will use yellow. Okay, I will use yellow to show golden earrings. And if you want to make it matching, you can try some other color. And kadas, I will be making, bangles, I will be making matching of gloves. I will make it dark pink. Okay. Now here, if you want to make jewelry with earbud, you can try that ways too. So see this ways, I will complete. Okay. So here you can see Dipali and Deepak. They both are done. Can I check yours? Shlesh, are you new, beta? Are you, is this your first or second class? There is a procedure of joining through, as the classes are happening through application. So you will have to install our application, and through Zoom you can. Arav, we can't unmute anyone, beta. If you want to tell anything, please all of you lift up your files and show. I want to see your work. And I'm so happy to see different colors of lehenga, odni. Great. It's really, really looking wonderful. And here in Selina's drawing, I can see one small girl is standing here. Really wonderful. Great. Very creative. And in this drawing of Purvi, I can see in drawing in Rangoli, she gave a pattern, Happy Diwali, written Happy Diwali. And here in Gaurisha's drawing, I can see two girls, they are making Rangoli. Even in Helen Sarah's on, I can see two girls together, they are making Rangoli. So I can see so many creative, and even in Meena's drawing also, one girl with two plates is standing near, and one is making Rangoli. Wow, these are all so creative experiments. And even in Viha's drawing, there are two girls, they are making drawing. Come on, now we will come. I'm so happy to see all these creative experiments. Now let's quickly see one more thing you can do. You can add few more bowls of colors if you want. Okay, if you feel that I want to make more bowls of colors, so you can add. And wherever you have space, you can add few more bowls. Now, I will be making this bowl with Persian blue color. Okay, you can take Persian blue color, this deep blue, bluish green, Persian green color, not blue, sorry. I will be making my bowls with this, and I will continue my story. So when they return back, the same lines, the lines of doctor was continuously moving in head, and they were not able to think nothing else except words that these crackers are causing so much health issues to old age people, even healthy one. When they smoke, we inhale. It is very harmful even for one who is very healthy. So this is extremely poisonous, and our earth is already so polluted. And while burning crackers, we are doing nothing, but actually we are creating more pollution. So they decided, they went to Puja Ghar, they fold hands, they prayed for good and long and healthy life of grandpa, and they promised God, God, we are promising you. Today we realize when our own grandpapa faced this problem, that the small joy of burning cracker, it is causing so much problem for so many. And we were not even having this idea. We were just thinking, okay, we will burn and it will be a fun, but not at the cost of health of someone. So we are promising you, God, we will celebrate our Diwali eco-friendly this time. Okay, but please, God, help my grandpapa. His condition is so critical. They were praying this way, and they promised that this year they will not burn even a single cracker. And they just took out that big list, and same moment they tear it off and throw it in dustbin. Okay, with a very strong, as I want to show earthen diyas. है ना? So I will be using brown color, है ना? This is traditional way of celebrating Diwali. We were using earthen diyas, and see earthen diyas, you know, these are our artists. They are make this. So when we use this kind of things, so they also get business. You know, they also get job. If we will keep switching on to ready-made light and we will not use this kind of earthen diya or handmade things, so when we use this kind of thing, we are even supporting economy of our country. And even those, they also get orders of diyas and all. So this is a kind of encouragement we are giving to home industries of India. Okay, so we should always switch, and you can purchase them. These are biodegradable, eco-friendly, है ना? And you can paint them. You can use them again and again, many times. If you feel that we don't want to throw it off, you can use them again. And so many different creative things you can make with diyas. So as I want to show earthen diyas, I will be doing brown color. If you want to make it colorful, you can make them colorful also. Okay. You can make colorful stripes, or you can add some patterns with earbud afterwards. You can use even red color for showing earthen diyas. So I'm using brown color to show earthen diyas. Okay. And now 3 colors we want: yellow, red, and orange. Yellow, red, and orange. Okay, these 3 colors we will take. Come on, take these 3 colors: red, orange, yellow. Okay, and Bhavya, your message is not clear, beta. I'm not able to get with your message. Okay, will you send it properly, beta? I'm not able to get it actually. That's very good, Jana, that you are making handmade lanterns. Yes, this is the way actually to celebrate. Now see, let's complete diyas, this outer flame. Take yellow, and from where you will start? You will start from corners, standing lines. Standing lines, you will go in standing lines for showing this outer circle. You will not keep changing direction. Okay, start from a corner, and in standing line, you finish this. Then your second color is going to be orange. You will take orange color and the second portion, this flame. And third one is going to be red. And a red, orange, yellow. These are colors of fire. And that's why we call them warm or hot colors. Okay. So same we are going to do in all our diyas. Here little lines of pencil. Okay. So next day when they reach to hospital again, they were very much surprised that their prayers were answered. Doctor said, now he's all right and he can get discharged. They came back home with grandpapa. They were so happy. Grandpapa is able to breathe properly and he is now healthy. They returned back and they decided now this year, not only they, but they will convince their friends also. As I told you in beginning only, this was a big colony with almost 60 houses. So almost 200 children were there. And convincing them to celebrate eco-friendly Diwali was not easy. So they decided they will conduct a meeting, they will organize a meeting, and they will call even Dr. Uncle. Invite Dr. Uncle to tell them that what is the condition, how the number of patients of asthma, heart patient and all increase, and old age those who are aged. So Dr. Uncle immediately accept this invitation that if I can create little awareness, I will definitely come in your meeting. And he came and told all children that, see, same thing happened with grandpapa of Deepali and Deepak. And it is happening every year with countless patients, and many even die because of this critical condition of environment. It is extremely polluted and poisonous. So all children, they realize that even they were having grandpapa and grandmama at home. So they realized that if their crackers and small joy is causing so much of problem to so many old age people, they should not burn crackers. They all got convinced and they decided that we will not burn crackers. But if we will not burn crackers, then what kind of Diwali we are going to celebrate? Diwali without crackers, it was absolutely new idea for them. But they were not knowing that how to make their Diwali full of enjoyment without crackers. And they started thinking what to do. Every day they were planning what we can do to make our Diwali full of fun without crackers. Okay, this is a big question. And we all want to have fun, but without crackers. Very nice, Gianna. Lovely work. And all of you can show me your work. Yes. Lift up your files and show me. Wow, it's so beautiful. Great. Shabash. Okay, now let's come back to work. And I will be doing orange and I will take red and I will complete my all diyas. Okay, all diyas. I will be doing red here, everywhere. Okay, red, orange, yellow. And now I'm going to complete this upper strings. And for that, I will be taking green. I can take green and blue. I can take pink color also. I will be taking these colors and I will complete. In senior batch, we cover up Diwali drawing only. Meena, we cover up Diwali drawing only in senior batch, which we are going to color today. Okay. As Meena want to see the work of senior batch. See, this is the artwork of senior batch. We are going to cover it up today. A lady with diya. And we are going to learn how to give touch up of jewelry, how to give a realistic touch of jewelry, and how to learn a realistic eye. Okay. So you will also learn when you will get promoted to senior batch. You are going to learn all this. Don't worry. Okay. So see, I completed diyas and now I'm completing these strings which they prepare using kite paper. They made colorful triangles and they just hang it on a string and it was looking extremely colorful and beautiful. And they hang it here and there in full colony. So when they were struggling to plan something which will make their Diwali full of joy, so one day Mama was continuously observing Dipali and Deepak's mom. And because you all know Mama is always a mastermind behind every plan. So Mama was observing that they are planning something, but they are not able to. So one day Mama asked, what happened? Please tell me. What thing is troubling you? I can help you out, I suppose. So they said, Mama, we decided we will not burn crackers. Money which you gave to us, we are going to purchase some gifts and some medicines and we will give it to old age home. But we don't know then how to celebrate our Diwali and make it wonderful Diwali. Because we all want to celebrate eco-friendly Diwali, cracker-free Diwali. So Mama said, it's so simple. I can help you out in that. What we can do, please, Mama, tell me. So Mama said, see, we will exactly follow the traditional pattern of Diwali. Traditional pattern, what is that? How? What we are supposed to do? Mama said, this year your Diwali will be not only your Diwali. This year you will be doing everything handmade. We will get earthen diyas, you will paint them, you will be making floral rangolis, you will be making floral string, we will pluck some ashoka leaves. I will take yellow ochre color, take yellow ochre and do in this wall. Come on. If you want to try it with some other colors, you can try. I'm using yellow ochre color. Small strokes. Sorry. See, you will be giving outline. Only see, a senior student is asking only this much part you will outline, not in face. Okay. One senior student was asking. Okay, now I will be completing this. Okay. So Mama said कि in traditional time we were all were making group, and after doing Lakshmi Pujan, and on Diwali we worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. And after Lakshmi Pujan, we were singing songs of Diwali, and singing that those songs of Diwali in group. We were taking diyas from house, and we were reaching to every house to take blessings from elders, wishing the younger ones. And we were keeping one diya on entrance, wishing them to have light of happiness in their life. Okay, so we can prepare some songs and I will help you out. I know some lovely Diwali songs. So let's make groups and start practicing. It will be a fun. So they like this idea very much. What next, Mama? So the Mama said, now and then start preparation. We will order diyas, earthen diyas, big and small, and make a group. A group will start painting and decorating it. 2-3 days before, we will get lots of marigold flowers from wholesale market, and a group of yours will start making string. This time we are not going to purchase anything from market. And if in your group few are very good at musical instruments, they can play guitar, dholak when we will be singing. So this we will go for everything live and natural, nothing recorded. Okay, nothing, no electronic media we will be using. They all like this idea so much, and immediately this complete team of children, they got divided, and song practice started at Dipali's house. And the mama was knowing so many wonderful songs, and they call a dhol wala also. Okay, they decided after completing all this, lots of dance party, bhangra and dhamal, but no crackers. Okay, and then rehearsal started, and they decided this year they are going to make their complete colony very decorated, like a beautiful bridal. They will decorate it each and every corner. Take dark blue color and pink color. Okay, we are going to start from top. Dark blue, apply little dark blue or purple. You can even try purple on the top, little. Okay, apply it little on the top, and then switch on to pink. Okay, and sleeping lines, and I'm doing it comparatively light. Okay, with sleeping lines you will complete it everywhere. Go for sleeping lines. You will not change direction. Okay, and your pink color should not go in diyas. Sleeping lines everywhere, whether big space or small space, you will not change direction, and don't pressurize your color. The moment you will put pressure, dirty lines will appear and your whole artwork will be spoiled. Okay, so you're supposed to go for small strokes, one direction, and very gently you will finish it. Okay, so song practice started, and many students, they were knowing how to play Casio and guitar and dholak and all. So they were started practicing with that. And this time they were going to sing live. It means no electronic gadget they were supposed to use. And they prepared songs, and then finally lots of diyas. They money which they were good, they were going to spend on crackers. They purchased lots of marigold flowers from wholesale flower market, and they find it on very reasonable rates. And a team started making big floral strings of ashoka leaves and marigold flowers, colorful flowers. And a big team of girls, they started decorating diyas, beautiful mirrors, stones they were putting. And a team, they started preparing rangolis, and they start learn underwater rangoli from Leena ma'am's channel. And this ways they made, and they all were like crazily, they were preparing for Diwali. And they realized that without cracker, when everything we are managing without wasting much money, and we are doing everything ourselves, it's a great fun. They realize for the first time how much pleasure it is giving to them. Take brown color, you can take any other also, and see Sleeping lines near every line. Come on, do this, give this texture. Near every line, you will be giving this kind of texture. Okay, sleeping line. Okay, so this ways you can add a texture to a wall. Sleeping line. So, and this very zabardast wali preparation. And finally, the day of Diwali came. And a dholwala was already ordered that you will be coming. And they all were ready that we will all dance after completing all complete decoration. And that day, even moms, they also came forward. And when all children were busy decorating complete colony, they were giving them breakfast, gujia, and so many sweets. Mama prepared na chakri, gujia, guja, and laddus, and so many things Mama prepare on Diwali. And you know what? This is only India, where all festivals are full of sweets, full of colors. But now, my dear students, you are the one who is going to take this tradition forward. Everything you start learning from your mom in your puja, in your rituals, be involved, make rangolis and decorative diyas, because this tradition will be live only when you will take it forward. And you know, the traditions, the culture, the rituals of India, they are so incredible. They are so beautiful, but you will have to take charge of that. Start learning, on puja preparation, while making rangoli, while decorating diya, get involved. Then only you will learn and you will be able to keep it alive. है ना? When you will not do and wear traditional dresses, get ready nicely, and keep this tradition alive. This our culture is so colorful. India is so incredible. So you are supposed to preserve that by learning slowly and slowly. Okay. So see, now I will be doing rangoli, and this rangoli is the most traditional rangoli. It is called chalk, and I taught this amicably because in every puja we make this. In India, we make this. Okay. So let's make it colorful. I will start with orange. Okay, you can try any color anywhere. I will be doing orange here. You can, any color in any block you can make. It's a rangoli. Ria, if water fell on your drawing, beta, don't worry. Okay, अगर आपकी ड्राइंग पर पानी फैल गया बेटा, गिर गया, तो कोई बात नहीं. आप उसको ऐसे खड़ा कर दो. ऐसे खड़ा कर दो बेटा, तो सारा पानी निकल जाएगा. रिया, आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हो ना? ऐसे खड़ा कर दोगे तो सारा पानी निकल जाएगा. और आप, अगर आपकी ड्राइंग गीली हो गई है तो आप अभी स्टोरी एंजॉय करो बेटा, और बाद में आप दूसरी ड्राइंग बना लेना या इसी को फिनिश कर लेना. ठीक है, लेकिन बिल्कुल डिसहार्टन नहीं होना. ठीक है, आई वांट अ स्माइल ऑन योर फेस. कम ऑन, कम ऑन. यस रिया, यस, दैट्स इट. ओके, चलो तो अब हम जल्दी जल्दी वी विल फिनिश इट. तो दिस इज द मोस्ट ट्रेडिशनल pattern. This is called chalk, and for every havan puja, we make this. So because of this, purposely I taught this artwork, this drawing as rangoli to all of you. And you can make it colorful. You can put any color anywhere. I'm going to use orange in these stripes. So see, students, now, although you are very young, but so many things you will have to lead. You will have to become leader for saving so many things, our culture, our environment. And today's story, as I told you, now let's complete story and then I will tell you all this. Then finally, the day of Diwali, the preparation was on peak. And Vandanvar, all were busy decorating Vandanvar, marigold flowers. And girls team, they started making rangoli in front of every house entrance. And boys, they put diyas, and slowly then finally, evening time, when it started turning dark, they burned diyas. And you know what? That complete colony was looking like a bridal, and all diyas which were decorated in very, very creative way. It were looking like jewelry of bridal. It was looking so beautiful beyond expectations. Here I got a message that, okay, you got now? Yes, it was uploaded that day only. Recording of previous class. Okay. So they were so happy to see that earlier when they were burning crackers, they were not getting time to decorate their own house. But today, collectively, unitedly, when they decorate their whole family, each and every house. So it was really a pleasure. It was really a great experience for them. And then evening time after puja, Devi Pujan, singing time. They were in group. They put so many diyas in thal, different thal. Those who were knowing how to play instruments, they start playing it. They all started singing Diwali songs. And door to door, they were reaching, they were greeting elder one, taking blessings of them. They're wishing the younger one, and they were keeping a diya in front of. First diya they kept in a temple of this colony. है ना? Traditional time this was happening, and even today in many colonies and villages it happened. First diya after completing worshipping Devi Pujan, they keep first diya in mandir, and afterwards they reach house to house and gift a diya and keep it on the entrance as a wish that this light of happiness should always be in your life. So this is actually a tradition, and same thing they were doing today. And Dipali and Deepak, they were doing, and their complete friend family, they were doing this, and it was a great fun. Everyone praises lovely songs, and no one else was knowing about this song. It was absolutely new thing for everyone, and they enjoy it like anything. And after that, after completing, they just sat together, and whatever they prepared at home, gujia, guja, laddus, papdi, chakri, whatever they brought, they just shared. And then Dholwala came, and then dance party. They danced a lot, and bhangra and different dance. And they realized that Diwali without crackers, it can be so wonderful. They realized that this was best Diwali of their life. And from that day, they decided they will always celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. Okay. And you know what? In one colony, I don't remember name very nicely, I think Yogi Nagar, this happened. Children, they decided that they will celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. And they did the same. They conducted many competitions, there they conducted many competitions, and they decorated whole colony with rangolis and strings, and they were rewarded also. They got rewarded. In one colony, you know what, this is real fact I'm telling you, thing that in one colony, students, they made pamphlets and handmade paper cloth bags, and they requested everyone to turn off their electricity for 1 hour. And all other members, all other people of colony, they supported, and in that colony they turn off their electricity for 1 hour, and they save so much of electricity. And in that colony, no one is using plastic bags. They all are using paper cloth bags made with. So the children say, you are not actually children, you are soldiers, and now you will have to take complete lead. You will have to lead this complete mission of saving environment. And it is really very much needed today to have a shift of our celebration for festival. And our festivals in traditional time, ancient time, festivals were very environment supportive. But slowly and slowly, see what form of festival we are celebrating. So we are supposed to be very wise, and a small shift is required. I will take different, see, I'm taking different colors and I'm completing. Okay. So now it is your responsibility to keep our culture alive, to celebrate eco-friendly festivals. And this drawing, this story must really have given you idea that how you can celebrate and make your Diwali full of joy without crackers. So, and many of you must be thinking, अरे एक क्रैकर तो है ना, जब बहुत मन करे कि एक क्रैकर चलाना है तो क्या कर सकते हो आप, एक क्रैकर चला लो, ठीक है ना। किसको किसको बहुत मन होता है कि मुझे एक क्रैकर तो चलाने का मन हो रहा है ना। तो डोंट बर्न मेनी, है ना, रिड्यूस क्वांटिटी, इतना हम कर सकते हैं ना। एंड देन दे परचेज medicines, sweets for old people, and they reached to old age home, they shared all those things, है ना। See, we are very lucky, we have everything in life, but there are many, their lives are very dark, they don't have even a light of smile. If you will share your happiness with them, actually this is the correct Diwali. If you can bring a smile, a light of smile on their faces, this is actually real Diwali. Okay, so this Diwali, if you feel that no, a cracker should be burned, to reduce its quantity. बहुत कम crackers चलाने हैं, लेकिन इस बार रंगोली खुद बनानी है ना, hand painted diyas खुद बनाने, बहुत सारा काम है, isn't it? And let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. And at the same time, Mama is very busy. Diwali is coming now, and cleaning and all. So one more responsibility you will have to take: help your Mama. Okay, small things, you can do your homework. For small things, you can help Mama. And she must also be getting tired, and she also need help. And in puja preparation also, in making rangoli also, in making painting diya also. Always be there and get involved. And on Diwali, wear wonderful traditional dress, get ready nicely, because this is our culture. Our culture is full of colors, and let's keep it alive. And it is in your hands now, because you are future of India. You are future of this complete world. And I have complete trust on my dear students. You are going to preserve it like anything. You are going to make this environment the best place to live in by giving a new shape, new form to all festivals. Let me see how many of you are going to do this. Thumbs up. Can I see thumbs up? Yes? Oh my God. You are really my true disciple, and I'm really proud of you. Okay, now let's quickly give background. Okay, now here you can do blue. Let's complete blue because time is running fast. I will be doing blue and complete background. See, here it is pink now. So I will fill pink color here. And you can fill different colors here, like red and pink and all. Okay. And after doing this blue, let's give wash with sap green color. I will be giving wash with sap green color. Come on. Start with sap green. Complete your rangoli. Okay, you will be going for small sleeping lines. You will not change direction. You can try any other color of your choice. And if you want to make a floor or anything else, you can try, but don't pressurize your color. Sleeping lines everywhere. And complete this one. If you want to add patterns, suppose if you feel that I want to add some patterns in cloth, so with earbud, like in this, see, in this drawing, I use earbud, and with pink color, I add patterns in dress and even in flower and on the tip of rangoli. Okay. Yes. So rangoli, you will be making colorful and complete background with sap green color. Okay. And if you feel that I want to make a pattern on wall, I want to make some pattern around, whatever, with earbud, you can add on. Okay. So this is all about our today's work. Acha, tell me how many of you like story? Show thumbs up with badi wali smile. Ek badi wali smile banti hai. Yes. And whatever you are learning and listening from me in stories, you are supposed to imbibe in your life. Okay. These are life lessons actually. Okay. Because I believe that children, if determined, they can do anything. Anything they can do because they have limitless energy. And the best part they have, best thing they have, that is power of believing. They have trust. They believe in themselves and others. So keep golden lines in your heart. I can do it. Okay. And let's do it together. So see, this is our complete artwork. Can I check yours? Please lift up your files and show. Yes. Wow, it's looking so beautiful. And see, if you feel that lots of space is left here or there, so you can add few diyas and a few things you can add, a stand of diyas and all. And I can see, Gaurisha, you put mehndi. Okay, these are colors. Okay. Wow, but the artwork is really wonderful. And don't forget, I'm waiting for your artworks. Okay, please do share it on Instagram. And I want it with you. Hold it in your hand, give a bright smile, and just send it to me. Okay. So now, if any competition or any activities in your school, you are ready. You know how to draw, how to color. You all have done it so well. And I can see all are busy decorating their artwork. Okay. And let's make this Diwali eco-friendly, beautiful, safe for us and everyone. So with lots of blessings, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Bye, my dear students. Take care. Lots of blessings. Bye.